remember back about a month ago, I told you I was entering a cooking contest sponsored by Bertman's, and I actually made an episode documenting my creative process as well as showing off my final contest entries. Well, today we're going to find out how I fared. In this envelope right here, I have the contest results. So let's see how I did. I'd like to give a big thank you to Bertman's for selecting me as the winner, as well as a big thank you to all the people who supported me throughout the contest. It was a lot of fun, and I enjoyed the challenge of using Bertman's products to come up with 3 next-level dishes. So to see my 3 contest entries, simply click on the cooking contest episode link in the description box below, or you can visit Bertman's website at this address very soon, and you can see them there too. Well, that's all I have time for today, but stay tuned later this week where we're making paella. So I'll see you then.